Stop by and take a look at the 2006 4Runner. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 4.0-liter engine and comes with a 5-speed automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, running boards, power mirrors, fog lights, rear window wiper, Inside you'll find leather upholstery, heated seats, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, dual power seats, cruise control, child safety locks, adjustable headrests, leather-wrapped steering wheel, auto express down window. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.